I'm gonna climb it.
She's gonna climb it. She's climbing it. Watch her climb this stuff. Go, honey, go. Exercise.
If I get sick, I'm gonna cry.
Oh my god, where the hell is she going?
Come up here.
Okay, I'm coming. But I'll leave the notes on. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on a picnic table. Right there. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go climbing. Okay. There's a pretty water, as you see. Well, not that pretty anymore.
Hello.
But it was pretty.
Hello. Wait, give me a second to just take you.
Oh yeah.
There, Tita's climbing. Okay, let me get up.
Let's climb more up.
Woo! Oh look, there's some more. Oh, you can't see it. I'm afraid to go more up.
I'll lead. Go more over there.
Here, hold that.
Oh my gosh. So, oh look, you see the fishies. See the fishies? Here, I see the fishies. Okay. Ew, there's three. There's three. Oh my god, there's a guy coming. He better get down fast.
Don't fall down though. I can't afford for you to get hurt.
We better get down fast because some dude's coming. Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah.
Woo!
Watch me climb down.
Oh, your phone! Oh, I said you went in there. It went in there. Oh, you went in the hole.
What hole?
It went in there.
Oh my gosh, I can't get my phone out.
Hey, hold this. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Where?
I don't know, it just went in here.
Come on. Wrong ones are moving.
It's not there. But it went in this hole.
Oh my gosh. My stupid phone. And I just got it.
Honey dropped her phone in the hookah.
Wow.
This is the end of our journey.
Yeah, now I gotta look for my phone.
Now we have to look for Honey Girl's phone. Well, peace out. Shakalaka. Something. Shakalaka. Did you find it?
Yeah.
She got the phone.
Mom, sorry. Hello? Okay, we're coming. Yes. Okay, we're coming.
We took
We're
a journey.
At the cafe. We might go walking. We've seen this pond. We've seen this pond. So we might go look at it.
Peace, people. Peace, people. See you later.